Sony has set up an assembly line to make actual PlayStation 5 discs for Latin America. According to VGC, the production plant is located in Manaus, a free economic zone in northern Brazil. Companies who do business in the area benefit from tax breaks and other incentives. The Brazilian factory had made game discs for prior generations of PlayStation consoles. We at Sony Interactive Entertainment appreciate the Brazilian community's support for the PlayStation brand and its products, stated Miguel Cunha, Senior Director of PlayStation Latin America.